As you guys see that there's has been more than 10 videos. Actually it's part 9, and I already have part 10, part 11, and this is going to be this video. So we have 11 videos in the continuum, and all these videos are enormously large from what I have been taking till now, making a 5 minute or 3 minute video. So now I have started making videos at this large, around 1 hour 48 minutes long, 1 hour long. At the smallest minuscule scale, it is a 57-minute video, and it is not good thing that I don't have any description for most of the video. In particularly talking about this series, I actually don't have description for any of the 11 videos. So I should write a description, because it much needed to write a description. And also there's another thing that I also don't have any thumbnails regarding this. So thumbnail need to be added too. So in this video, we are going to do the same. As the a new video is being uploaded, which is at right now at 41%. In the free time, let's start by creating and making a thumbnail for it. I have heard that the Gemini can watch other video and can pull out the most actually summary kind of stuff from it. So I am going to Gemini chat, the Google Gemini chat, and trust me, I haven't interacted with any time. This is the first time that I am going to use Google Gemini, and this is gemini.google.com, and I am going to ask it to watch one of my video, and this is the first start of the Gemini. And they get done with apps all in one place. The use of Gemini extension is sure, and we also have an image generator. So by using this same image generator, what I'm gonna do is to generate at least generate a reference thumbnail for this series of videos regarding JavaScript on my second channel. Okay, the channel that is purely dedicated to IT and stuff. Okay, so this is greeting me here. Let's ask it, but first let's zoom in so you guys can see. Zooming to 200% seems okay. Does it? Then I have heard that you can you can watch YouTube for me. Yes, I can help you. Just tell me what you would like to watch on YouTube. Okay, no, 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 no. No, I meant you watch and generate a summary of video that I will be sharing a link to. Yes, yes, absolutely, I can do that. Okay. Now I'm going to write a nice prompt in order to say Gemini to generate me a description. Listen, I am the creator of this video. This is basically a video series about JavaScript where I am teaching as learning and reciting articles from web web, specifically from the website. What is the website called? Geek4geek.com. I want you to watch this and generate YouTube video description of all the important things that you believe it should have. And if what if I assign it a role? You are an SEO expert, search engine optimization expert, and properly understand the YouTube algorithm. Okay, now listen. I am the creator of this video. Okay, the video link is, and let pass it a link from my first video, which I can do it here. A link copied to clipboard, and this is the link. Let's see. It has. Great. Now write your video description with social links. Well, the resources used in this one feels too generic. Okay, let's open our favorite notepad app and modify its introduction as per our liking. So in the same folder, if I create a new file, video description, description.md, okay, and paste this thing, copy and paste it here so we can modify it. I think I'm not going to keep all these things in a. One second. might require to keep the resource. I still believe that my prompt is way better than this. And if I copy it from here, okay, copy it. I am uh, I am Harsh Verma, the creator of this video. I am Harsh Verma, welcoming you, welcoming you to a video series about JavaScript, where I am are teaching over our learning, teaching and learning and reciting the articles from web, specifically from the website. The website geek4geek.com, and doing some practical exploration how JavaScript actually works. Okay, I also created beauty, beautiful PRUCTUR structured notes, obviously with the help of ChatGPT. Section below, and I'm going to pass a link for the Geek for Geek article. Opening the Firefox, navigating to geek4geeks.org, copying it, and pasting the link here, and notes in the video. So we are going to have a notes over here. Okay, and I don't think any more resources are required in the video. Do I? Yes, chat GPT, and also a Bing chat. Bing chat. Copy it, pasting it here, and we have already pasted the Bing chat link here. And if I had to paste chat GPT link, copy and paste it. One second, I think this link has not been copied. Copy, it here. Okay. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I think this is going to be a video description, so we need not to add this line. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. I did not use Instagram, even though I have Instagram ID. We have Twitter, I have Facebook too, and I'm actually on every social media handle, but I use none of them. And first we have to upload notes somewhere. So the best place that I am going to post note is what is it? GitHub, the best website to post notes as well. So before posting the notes, I think we need to summarize this. And let's note so large. Will ChatGPT be handle to chatgpt.com? Okay. Oh, 1 second. It's asking for login ID and password. Never mind. Let's move to Gemini. Okay. Without changing any anything, I want you beautify the following markdown file. If I paste it here, act as a placeholder. So does it accompany all the things? Yes. Let's see. Huh? No, 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 no. What I needed is a new chat. Copy. And I want a new chat. Okay. Now, if I pass this same prompt to it, now it's generating and generating and generating and generating. One second. Paused to this. And it also don't have a continue generation option. Let's go to ChatGPT for this one too. And there is something that ChatGPT is still the king. And I know because this is a very, very long wall of text, all the LLM seems to stuck at the point. But I am very sure that ChatGPT will give us an option to continue the generation prompt. And it is also stuck at the same. Where is the continue generating button? Oh, wrongly. Reload it. Let's try it again. Finger crossed that this time it will complete the node generation. And still gonna stuck at index of. Why? Oh yes, we are getting the continue generation button this time. And yes, this time we got everything just in place. And if I just remove this, and if I go to home, remove this, uh, if I preview it, control shift and V, and now if I have to go to full screen once in order to preview that, remove the terminal. Yes, this is our notes. Much better now. Time to upload the note so you guys can also access these. Exiting the full screen mode, and going to GitHub, creating a new repository called JavaScript JS JS by Harsh. JS, and description is optional. JS Harsh, and I also want to going to rename this folder JS Harsh. So this folder will contain everything about the JS. Okay. After creating, now what we are gonna do to copy this command, open our terminal. Let's close this because this is cd back, change directory to JS Harsh. Okay, now we want to initiate the git initiate, and the git has been initiated. Now we want to paste this command, so I use control shift and V. What did it do? Control shift and V. Okay, so it is being pasted in this silly thing, not in terminal. In terminal, control shift and V. And yes, the repository has been added. So now git add dot, adding everything, check the git status, and we also have all the new files. Okay, I think we haven't completed the description yet. Okay, follow us, follow not us, because I'm not a team. Follow me on social media. I think the only correct method to follow me on Twitter and on Instagram. I will link my Twitter, and rather than Instagram, I will link my GitHub. GitHub. Okay. This is my profile on GitHub. So if you want, you can follow me here as well. GitHub. Let me delete this, paste it here. And this is formerly Twitter, now called x.com. And this is my profile. Has not been updated since a quite long time. So this would be my Twitter. Let me write the formerly X here. Form. Okay. Here we have to write X because X. Okay. Let's learn the JavaScript together. I think I like it. And I have two notes in this video. So the notes will be stored in the JSHersh repo. JSHersh. I just initialized it. Created a new repo. Here it is. The link to this repo would be the link to this documents. Okay. And I think this is it. This is the video description. Obviously many more things could be added, but for a generic kind of description this is good enough. And now to add this thing also, now we want to commit this, git commit with a message, commit on video. Everything has been committed. Now we have to upload it to the GitHub so you guys can also view this. Okay. So git push origin master, because right now I am still at the master repo and the push has been done. And if I refresh this web page, and the web page is now the note section of my app, and here you can find everything, and the URLs remains the same, github.com harshvarma c5 jshars. Good. And don't worry, the website will automatically be updated as soon as I will be getting this note section updated too, as per our upcoming videos. So don't worry, it's still already 2 to 3 videos by forward, because I haven't uploaded that on GitHub yet. So now my description is completed. You can also see my description, the test HTML file, and email validation JavaScript file as well. Okay. Now minimizing this, let's see how much my video has been uploaded. My video is public already. Yes. And it has 0 views right now, which is not something that I am very worried of, because I know that my views count are always nil. But the few persons are watching my video. That's already enough for me. Time to upload another one. I'm gonna drag it to here. Reuse details from the previous video. This time part 10. Okay. Public. Let ask Gemini to write a video title. If you are asked to rewrite a rewrite the video title, what 10 variations would you come with? Let's see. Grilled cheese mastery. Idiot. Original video is likely Hobbit. Original video is this, and the title is, what's the title? Title is Mastering JavaScript from Beginner to Pro, Demystifying JavaScript. No, no, no. The ultimate JavaScript crash course. It's not a crash course. JavaScript essentials, everything. Unlocking the powers of JavaScript for beginners and hands-on approach. It looks like Conquer JavaScript, your complete JavaScript roadmap. No, it's not a roadmap. JavaScript made easy. No, the only thing that clicks me is JavaScript for beginners. This one clicks for me. Can you make 10 more variations similar to this? Your first step, a guided tour. It's not a course. Also, a reference to Geek for Geek website. Okay. By referencing it simply is piping the Geek for Geek. Your first steps in JavaScript. This feels okay. This is great. Your first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth step. A guided tour on geekforgeek.org. That would do the job. If I move to VS Code again, video description.md, video title.md, sorry, paste it here. Your first steps in JavaScript. Guided tour of what was the website? geekforgeek.org. I think this looks good as a video description. I can iterate the first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay, copy and this seems okay. I have selected. Now I want you to come up with relevant thumbnails. Okay. Now starting with the decorating my first video that I posted till now. Okay. Let the channel load completely. What? I am out of internet. No, as I can see, the chat GPT is still working. Or sorry, Google Gemini is still working. So if I edit my first video, it did the details. So I have to copy this and paste it here. Your first steps in JavaScript. In description, what I have to do is copy it and paste it. Formally. Formerly Twitter. I feel like something I have written is not correct. So I'm just searching for it in order to just make it sure. Because that's the logical thing. Officially Twitter or Formerly. Formerly. No, no, no. I was right. I was right at least. Okay. Now moving to the video upload section. So I have written beautiful wrongly. Mm, okay. So I have to also change the BAUT. Where it gone? BAUTI. Beautiful. Okay. Wrongly click the. I think I wrongly unlocked something because now it's showing me a fake cursor, which is not at all bad. Okay, just leave it. and let's save it. Split vertically in half. Left side is a bright blue with white text, JavaScript prominent. Right side is white with black text, gig for gig. Center. Uh, pair of walking feet representing first step with a question mark above. No. JavaScript with a white JavaScript logo. Bottom is green with a light bulb with line representing learning and understanding. Okay. First. Okay. So what was the video title? First step in JavaScript. A guided tour. First step. Second step. Now time to navigate to unsplash.com. For regular browsing stuff, I still love to use Firefox. Unsplash.com. Let's keep an eye on the video itself. It's already been 42 minutes long, and due to upload in the background, my internet feels slow. Check my phone again that I have consumed the 100% of my data. Yes, other data has been consumed by 100%, and still I am not able to know. So if that's the case, I have to wait for 20 minutes in order to the next day data arrive. In India, our Wi-Fi cost more than the internet plans of your data plans on the smartphone. Such a beautiful thing that that is, in my opinion, that still is prominent in India only. Never mind. Let's pause the recording yet, and I will be back again in 20 minutes. 20 minutes have been passed, and my internet is back on track. As I can see, my video is now uploading much faster, and now we can browse the inspiration for our thumbnail on the unsplash.com. Let's search for something like computer kids. What can we use? First step JavaScript. Geek for geek. Let's try something else. JavaScript. First steps. JavaScript. Geek for. I can do with that too. This one seems funny and as well as cute enough for her language that is so awfully famous for its drama, JavaScript. So I will going to use this one. And usual cases I used to download normal sizes, but let's click to the download button and save this file js.jpg, and I used to assign it to here. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do is to use the Geek for Geek logo as well. Geek for Geek complete logo could be found in the test code test.html that we have just written. Test.html. Here we are fetching the Geek for Geek logo from somewhere in the code, and actually it was on some previous code. See it. Will it move back to previous code? No, this isn't helping. Sorry for the sneeze. Geek for Geeks logo, LOFO. Let's add the images. Logo transparent. It also have all types, not transparent, and the licenses. Video share use. See, we don't have any free to use logo for Geeks for Geek or license. Then time to void. Mm, okay, it also has some text written below it. No problem. Let's download it. We will cut it. Save image as. So is it is for trans? No, it is not transparent. As I can see, there's a background when I'm dragging it, and it is a great check. If something has background, if you drag something and it still has background in it, then it is not the transparent one. It is also not transparent. Okay, never mind. We will write the Geek for Geek. So for thumbnail, what I'm gonna do is to open our downloads folder, the JS thumb 2, and we will open with our GIMP photo editor. It is my go-to favorite photo editor. Let's convert it. And first, what we're going to do is to crop it in 16 is to 9 format. 16 is to 9. 16 is to 9. And make sure that it is fixed cropping. And to the appropriate size. Seems okay to me. Enter. And we will select the layer to image size. Okay. Control Z, Control Shift J in order to fix it. Now what we're gonna do is to write JavaScript here. So we're gonna use the text tool to write JavaScript. Let's use the Java. Let's try the 600s font and move it. And let's use the move tool. Move it here. JavaScript. Uh, I will write Geek for Geek here. It is Geek for Geek or Geeks for Geek. Geeks for Geek. Copy and enlarge it. Should I make it a larger? What? How it will it look if our screen size is small? So what I will do is fit to this Control Shift J, and yes, if our screen size is this, it will look like it. Okay. So what need to be done is to move the JavaScript slightly above. Okay. Then move the gig for gig, and actually uh, align this to the active layer, and making the active layer a JavaScript and aligning it to the side. Okay. And by doing the offset of y. Okay, so the offset is not doing any favor to us. Okay, so just by aligning it, and then moving it. Okay, very sorry. Moving it by holding control, so it stayed in its fixed path. Okay, gig for gig. I think I should make it at least much larger, so it fill the space up to the script. So what I will do is select all, increase the font size, and then again move it to, and then now it is much larger than that. So I think 250 will work. Is it working? Works. Now time to nitpick something. Instead of 250, going with 240, 242, 240. I think 240 is great. So I think that far is good. And yes, JavaScript, geek for geek. And here I want to write the part on which part we are on the current video. First lesson, second lesson, third lesson. Okay. Now I want to write another text box. Directly type first. Let's again enlarge the view area. Select it, and choose a large font size, something as 600, and move it to active layer, and distribute it to the last, and at the bottom corner, with an offset of x as something like 50 pixels, and offset of y as 50 pixels, and let's distribute it. Okay, so what it needed to be negative offsets. I think instead of 50, going with 100 will do and make much more sense. Okay. I think the x offset must be more than 100. Maybe going with 200. or 300. Another text box. Mm, one second. If I want to make the lesson offset, we have to make it the same, and then by holding the control, if I should add a backdrop covering both of these, fill with background color, Control Z, uh, creating a new layer, a transparent layer, fill with transparency. To make this opacity less. Now, is it making sense or not? I'm not sure. Again, let's make sure by making our screen size smaller. 300 and the text size of, what was the text size? 300, 600. First, second, third. Quizzes on the go. Write a new text. Mm, There used to method to make the text rounded in GIMP, and I seem to forget it. I want to make a logo of rounded text here. Use editor. Mm, no, one second, it crashed. Is my document got invalid? And all my effort goes to hell. Now I have to screenshot my thing. Okay, guys, thank you. That's all for this video. Bye. See you.